how to turn off comments on Facebook. So the first step is by opening your Facebook app, and then you should go to your profile right here by clicking on this one, or by going to menu found on the lower right corner and by clicking your profile right here. Then scroll down and look for the post that you want to turn off the comment, just like this one. You may only turn off your comments if that post is set to public, like this. So to do that, click on the three dots and then click on Edit Privacy and make sure to click on Public right here. Click on Done and then refresh your profile. Once you have refreshed it, go back to that post, click on the three dots once again, click on Who can comment on this post, and choose the very last option, which is Profiles and Pages you mentioned. Click on Done, and then there you go. People may not comment on your Facebook post anymore. So that's it. That's how you can turn off comments on Facebook.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.